Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. I love my coffee, and from the time I get up to the mid-afternoon, I can have a few cups. Just milk in it gets boring, so I like to add some coffee creamer to enhance the taste. I have a few flavors I like to make from scratch, like butterscotch, French vanilla, caramel latte, and others, including this featured one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pumpkin coffee creamer. This flavor is a popular one during fall, but it tastes much better when it's made from scratch. It's an easy recipe and I'm warning you, it's so flavorful you might enjoy it all year round. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add 10 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, the equal amount of half and half, followed by pumpkin puree. Make sure you're not using the pumpkin pie filling, okay? Then some pumpkin pie spice. Guys, do me a favor and make it from scratch. It's only a fraction of what they charge at the store. To get this homemade blend, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll whisk constantly until the mixture just starts simmering. It should take about 8 to 10 minutes. When it finally gets there, we'll remove it from the heat and add pure vanilla extract. We'll whisk once again until nicely blended. We'll transfer the mixture to a measuring cup to cool off, but place some wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. And my friends, this is our pumpkin coffee creamer. This flavorful creamer will definitely enhance your coffee. It's easy to make, plus it tastes better than the commercial ones. This is a great flavor to enjoy this fall, but you might be so hooked, it could become an all-year affair. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!